Alicia wipe your butt with toilet tissue.
That was quite the performance. Surely, you don't believe this courtroom's gonna be swayed by theatrics now, do you?
Well, I was just stating the facts, sir.
You were stating the facts.
Uh-huh.
Okay, why don't we dive into that?
Dive
Would
on.
it be factually correct to say that you, yourself, were a wanted criminal?
You know, I did hear there was some peoples that was pursuing me.
Pursuing you
Uh-huh.
for the crime of stealing slaves.
The devil is a
correct?
lie, the devil is a
Answer the
lie.
question, Miss Tubman. Answer the question.
Well, for bringing some peoples through slavery.
So you broke the law
White man laws.
by stealing
White man laws.
and smuggling humans throughout the country.
White man laws.
Let me ask you this, Miss Tubman. Are you a coyote?
Well, are you a wolf, sir?
Am I a wolf? Have you not seen me, Miss Tubman? I'm clearly a shark.
You a shark, all right? Baby shark, do 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 baby shark, do 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 baby shark, do 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 baby shark.
You call us a credible witness? You call that credible? She's been asleep half the time.
Answer the question. Well, Judge, I did what I had to do to help my peoples, and I did bring them through the Underground Railroad. I was tired of them going through the atrocities of slavery, so I did what I had to do to help my peoples.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Tubman. Counselor, make sure the next witness is credible. I have no more questions for this witness.
Sit down.
Bailiff, you can get her off the stand. Honestly, she needs to go.
You sit down,
No,
Frank.
this is...
Always cracking our backs. You sit there cracking our backs. Cracking our backs. If there's no...
Mr. Till, what a harrowing story indeed. You said you're from up north, correct? Illinois?
Yes, I was.
And you were so excited. He was so excited to go down south and visit his great uncle Moses Wright in good old Monet, Mississippi, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
Now, didn't she warn you about the rules in the South being different from those in the North? That there was a code of conduct that you were supposed to follow when you were down there?
She did, but I guess I...
And you just said that when you were down there, you were with kids, and you were showing them a picture of you with your white classmates.
Yes.
Is this true?
Yes.
And you were bragging.
I wasn't bragging. I wasn't bragging. I wasn't bragging.
Let's get to the point, shall we? Did you or did you not whistle at a married white woman,
No.
one Miss Carolyn Bryant, knowing full
No.
well the rules of the South were different from those in the North? Your uncle told you, knowing the rules full well.
Okay.
Mr. Till, let me remind you, you are under oath. Earlier, you stated that men, they broke into your cradle.
They did.
They took you out.
They
beat you,
did.
shot you for fun.
Objection,
Is that what they
Your
did?
Honor.
That no one just goes into someone else's home, takes them out, beats them, and shoots them for fun.
Objection is a fact.
Dang!
Sir, obviously you don't know what you're talking about.
Please, enlighten me.
Those men, they beat me. They shot me. Look at my face. I didn't do anything.
But you knew.
I didn't know
You
anything.
knew the rules in the South
didn't
were
know.
different from those in the North. Your mother
Okay,
told you.
I'm
Your
sorry.
uncle told you. But you didn't listen, did you? You're a 14-year-old boy. You didn't listen.
Objection,
You
Your Honor.
went down there and you disrespected that white woman and broke the law in Mississippi.
Counselor is overstepping his bounds.
Lead one to believe that you flirted with a white woman, a married white woman, an act that any man would be enraged by.
Yes, sir. Objection,
No
Your
matter
Honor.
how much time went by, retribution was inevitable.
No! Damn it! I said I never will!
Get him off.
No, listen.
What you waiting for, baby?
Get your head off. I'm waiting. Sit down. Sit down. I prefer to stand.
as professionally as I possibly can, I'm gonna ask you one more time to sit your down.
Make me.
On the way here, I stopped through Montgomery, Alabama, and picked up a little souvenir. Again, sit your
Trying to get you to sit it down, Holmes.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, today you have witnessed a theatrical display from the plaintiff's attorneys and their parade of colorful witnesses. But let us take a moment and reflect on what we have truly learned today. One witness renounced his American citizenship and relocated to Ghana, trading insider secrets from the United States to a foreign country. The second stole and smuggled humans throughout the country. And the third was a disrespectful young man who crossed boundaries inappropriately with a married woman. What do these three witnesses all have in common?
They didn't like your toupee.
They broke the law. Still, they're being presented as representatives of a narrative that seeks to justify a staggering demand of $18 trillion in reparations. Tell me, does everyone get a cut? Does everyone deserve a cut? Or are we just gonna hand money out? We're gonna give some to you, and them. They get some too? Attorney Crump, you're only 75% African. What do you get with that? 30 acres and a goat? Still, these attorneys will have you believe that their star witnesses, a mere snapshot of the vast African American community, merit an enormous payout from the Department of Justice. Throughout the patterns of inconsistencies and questionable actions from the very witnesses they brought forth, can you honestly say that their claims are credible? I am begging you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, to think critically about the evidence brought before you today. Or better yet, the lack thereof. Let us strive toward a future where justice is truly served, not through unfounded claims, but through reasoned decision making. Together, we can make America great again! Trump 2026! Trump 2027! Trump 2028 and forever! Trump is king! Trump is king! Trump is king! This is your flag!
Attorney Holmes.
You're in this country! Yours too, Bailey.
Are you done?